What is up, YouTube gang? I'm back. It's been a hot minute, but I'm back. And we're doing shit completely different this time. And we're starting off at the beach in the middle of winter. I'm going for a swim when the sunrise comes up. Or as the sun's coming up. But we're changing things up. We're out of the BMX gang. Still in the BMX gang, but we're not riding BMX anymore. Welcome to the motocross journey. So, plan is to race my first ever motocross race tomorrow. So we're getting in as much the relaxation today, and then we're gonna just film everything and see how we go. We're just gonna get better and better, and you guys are gonna come along for the journey, and we're gonna see how far we can go with this motocross. So, without further ado, it's 10 degrees. I'm going for a swim. It's now a bit later, so plan is I need to get this ready for tomorrow to put the bike in, and then get it camping ready for the weekend after. Okay, so we got the trailer, but we got the bike here. We're running the numbers 226. I have sprayed that on because I don't have the things I need to get the numbers yet, and I couldn't be bothered. But got that style, still got that style on there. All the old plastics died, so I had to put the old ones back on. But it's all good. Bike's looking clean. It's good to go. We've still got cooked radiator from when I tried a backflip. So we put new floor in there, and yeah, we're just getting it ready. So let's go. Making our way into Bunnings because we need to grab some shit. But not a lot of people film in Australia, so it's a bit weird. Probably look strange as fuck, but anyway, let's go. Okay, so just gotta drink some water. Okay, so balls are on. I got a front port on that, and then we're starting to put this in. Jerry's in. There's shit everywhere. I gotta put a spot for the fire extinguisher, and now we're putting chains on. I have no idea what I'm talking about now. Right. What? Because we put the walls up, we can't put the straps on the outside. So I need to put points on the thing so I can hook my bike on. Thank you for reminding me. Alright, so update is I've set up most of this stuff. Got the straps there ready for the bike to go in. All this, got the, what's this thing called? Fire extinguisher. We got that in the end. That's in, clipped on. I'll show you that another time. Racks in, fuel's in. I haven't got fuel yet, but I need to actually go get that. But that's all clipped down. We got some points here. So chain, that's the whole. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I think we're pretty set. And make sure I got all my tools and stuff just in case this baddie has some issues. But yeah, so we get going, and we got to still put that in as well. That's the, what's it called? Gazebo. Enough talking, let's get into it. Alright, here comes the fun part of figuring out if this works now. So the first thing is getting this bad boy. How easy is it going to be? Easy as pie. Oh, that's not ideal. Bug. I don't know how I got here, but up we go. Down goes the trailer. Alrighty. Go that way. That way. You go down. Beautiful. New. Oh, these brand new ratchet struts are freaking good. Still looks fucking heaps better. What do we think? Write in the comments, rate out of 10. I'll give it a thumbs up out of 10. Oh shit, I thought I was gonna die. Now, I definitely could throw it in, but I made the strap. I'm gonna use the strap. There we go. Like a glove. Wee bruv, whippersnippering's rather loud. Alright, let's go fuck myself. Anyway, from my knowledge, I'm 99% sure we're not allowed to wear GoPros. So, Dad's coming tomorrow. No GoPros, so all the footage I'm gonna get is going to be as much as I can. And hopefully Dad can film decently. Oi bruv, it's loud. See you tomorrow. Bright and early, probably be dark. Alright, morning people. Back. It's 5:47 in the morning. It's dark. Can't see anything out of the windows. We're gonna get some fuel and then head to the track and set up, and yeah, I'm super tired, but ready for the race today. Mate, it's very bright. Let's go. Alright, we made it. Track's looking prime. It is so foggy. There's so many more people here than I thought there was going to be. But just going to get everything set up and smash it. Let's go. Alright, so I got the bike set up. Track's looking awesome. I said that before, but everything's set up. Got the gazebo out. Bit of a gaze this track. Got a good view here actually. Sun's just coming up. We start over there. About somewhere over there, and then rip up the back there, and then this is like sort of a fucking fast bit. There's a bit of a big jump there, and then long and low that, and you come around a corner here, and yeah, there's a bit of a table there, but yeah. We're just going out for practice and briefing, so I'm gonna get Dad to film. Let's go. Super loud, but as you can see if Dad's filming, your boy didn't go too fucking well. The track's so wet. Like, we got the little 85s going now. The track is so wet. I'll show you my bike. This is after I've cleaned it as well. Like, I've just cleaned all the main components off, but dude, it's so cooked. I cracked me fucking fender, man. Numbers coming off. Not a good first bloody. That's only practice too. But that's alright, we got more to come. Ah, shit. And I am 50% sure that I broke my thumb in practice. So, shit. Anyway, well, I'm just gonna keep cleaning this bike and get ready for the first moto. Oh my god, my thumb is so sore, but oh well. Alright, so we came dead last, fell over about 3 times in that race, Moto 1. So I got a lot of work to do. Dad didn't get any film and he was too busy watching. But yeah, I don't know. He's gone home, so I don't know what we're going to do. They're filming wise, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, my thumb is absolutely cooked. It's a little swollen, and jumping the big jump every single lap, even though it hurts, is probably not the greatest idea, but fuck it. Send it, you know? Hey. So we did Moto 2. I think we got the senior socials out. I crashed on the 3rd lap. My bar's bent. I like moved, and then I couldn't finish because I had to pull off because the bars moved. So we got Moto 3 coming up in the 2 races. So yeah, I'm getting no clips, so it could just be warm up. So, no, we'll figure it out. So see you after the next moto. The bike is doing okay. Alright, so I made it home. Someone's filming it. This is we've got a small issue here, but that's all good. That only happened halfway through the last moto. That's going to end the video there. I didn't get as much video as I wanted, but we weren't allowed GoPros in. I didn't really have anyone there filming, but we got a little bit and some other boys. But successful first race ever, and got a lot of work to do. Not a lot of work, but I enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Peace.